Other thing I replaced was this line, the feed line, which I'm going to show you where it comes from in hopes that somebody can give me some guidance on what is inside the tank, because I have 3/4 of a tank of fuel and I'm not really excited about having to pull the tank down right now, but of course I will if I have to. So this is the line I just showed you, and it's going into there. Oh, this line was all brittle and dry rotted, but does this piece right here have anything to do with my problem? I just don't know exactly how these things work, so I would imagine that, I mean, this is the where it's getting its fuel from, of course. I don't know if there's a straw in there or what's underneath this, so, but like I said, I don't want to open it up or drop the tank and figure it out, because it's got freaking 3/4 of a tank in there. This thing right here is, looks like it's just, I don't know what that is, capped off thing or what. Like, I bought this truck used, so I don't know exactly how this fuel system works, and I really don't know a lot about diesels, obviously. I get it, but it's just becoming super frustrating, man. It's like, what the hell?